Greeting everyone, I'm Jacky Zungu. I'll be introducing our virtual learning space. In 2020, virtual learning became an essential educational tool during the coronavirus pandemic. Kids of all ages successfully used and accessed virtual learning classroom throughout the year. Even though we are recovering from pandemic, the availability and benefits of online programs are here to stay. Virtual learning environment provide new opportunities for students to participate in classroom on their own schedule. They can learn their own pace, providing comfortable way to grow their skill. And our digital learning provides and helps students access course material in their fun and interactive way that engage their learning ability. In this video, we'll discuss and demonstrate the objectives of our learning space and its lesson structure. We'll also give you a demo of our course to showcase that a learning environment can do and demonstrate learning taking place. Moreover, we'll show and explain the pedagogy implemented to our learning space. Last, we'll conclude with the reasons why our learning space can work of all digital teaching and learning.
Okay, good morning everyone, my name is Mohomed. So our physics course has been developed for grade 10 learners, and we aim to provide them with an introduction to physics and the subtopics like in forces and motion, projectile motion, and also gravitational force. Now each of these topics will be divided into two sections. The first section will include interactive activities to facilitate and encourage critical thinking and quantitative reasoning skills. Now this will consist of interactive videos, books, simulations, and also discussion forums. Now the second section will include innovative assessments to test students' ability to think creatively and also critically about specific problems. Now this will consist of crossword puzzles, sort the paragraphs, and image choice tests and investigation assignments. And lastly, in order for students to complete the course, they will need to submit a major group project. And this course is also based on gamification and therefore includes an AR scavenger hunt and stash activity. Thank you.
Hi, I am Trishalan and I will be discussing our pedagogy. We have implemented the activated classroom teaching approach based on constructivism to provide active and continuous interaction between students and the course activities. In our course, there are large emphasis on student-centered approach, in which the responsibility for learning is placed upon the student, who will also work in collaboration with other classmates. To achieve active learning in our learning space, we have implemented role-playing, where each student takes the role of a person affected by an issue related to physics and studies the impact from the perspective of that person. Cooperative learning, where learners work together to complete a group project. Peer review, where students review and comment on materials written by their classmates. Group discussions to promote higher order thinking. Problem solving using the variety of data to explore scientific questions. Game-based learning with the use of an AR scavenger hunt, stash activity, competitive exercises, and interactive simulations.
Each topic of our course starts with various activities aimed at encouraging interactive learning among students. These activities allow students to reattempt so that they may learn from their mistakes. One such activity is the interactive video, which facilitates differentiated learning. Here, students will watch an educational video and answer the embedded multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blank questions. Each topic in our course also includes an interactive book that combines various interactive content to provide an engaging learning experience. This includes a mix of information, images, videos, questions, course presentations, activities, and more. Each topic will also include fun interactive simulation activities that provide students with an open exploratory environment to engage with physics content and various dynamic systems like a scientist. These simulations are highly interactive so that when students manipulate the different settings, they get immediate feedback on the effect that change had. Additionally, further learning and engagement is encouraged by asking students to answer questions using the simulation. We have also integrated Quizlet into our course to provide students with an exciting and engaging way to practice and master physics. Quizlet provides a suite of fun activities and games that will assist students in prepping for their upcoming assessments. This includes various study modes, such as flashcards, which can be used for basic review, Learn, which focuses on what needs work, Test for practice quizzes, and match to compete for high scores. Forums will be implemented in each topic as well, where students can communicate with each other. Your students will participate in ongoing discussions where they are required to post discussions and reply to their classmates' posts. This activity will encourage learners to research beyond what's covered in the course, effectively contributing to their learning progress.
With regards to assessments, our course utilizes an innovative and fun way of assessing learners. Most of our assessments utilize the use of the H5P plugin. That enables us to use a variety of testing methods which engage learners and create a fun learning environment. These methods include using multiple choice question sets, match the card memory games, choose the correct images, sort the paragraphs, and fill in the missing words. We have also created a crossword puzzle for each of the sections to test students' understanding of key definitions and terms. These methods of assessment are more likely to engage students when compared to the traditional methods of testing, such as written exams and tests, as they do not create a boring and stressful environment, and they also are not forced to complete the assessments within a few hours. They're able to work at their own pace while being guided by the course instructions and flow of work. We do utilize a written submission method with the aid of an interactive simulation to test the understanding of students with regards to a specific section. An added benefit to this is that teachers have less work to do as the marking is done automatically and the marks are added to the gradebook for students. Within our course, we have also utilized gamification to guide students when working through this course. We have restricted certain sections if students have not found the required stash items to promote a more thorough form of learning, as these stash items can be hidden in the most unexpected of places. As a result, students will be excited to engage with the content as they will be expecting to find these stash items, which allow them to access the next section of the course. The final assessment of this course, which is a group video presentation, is also restricted unless all other topic assessments and stash items are completed and found. We also decided to incorporate augmented reality into our course for bonus marks. This is used with a scavenger hunt theme and functions by placing markers throughout the course, and students have to use their mobile device to scan the markers which they have found on the screen. These markers then redirect them to a set of questions or activities which they have to answer. Their first attempt is recorded and used for the assessment. This is a fun way to engage students to learn and test their knowledge on the various sections.
We have designed an innovative learning space that is effective and efficient for digital age teaching and learning. Our course provides an easy way for students to learn the content at their leisure, anytime and from anywhere. It offers digital content that offers interactive, flexible, and easily updated educational resources. Students will not have to worry about accessing anything off-site, as everything will be available in our course. Furthermore, our course is also based on student-centered instruction, combining both individualized learning and group learning. As a result, students will receive a complete digital learning experience with resources available to study, interactive activities to engage with, and assignments and tests to assess their knowledge. We have also integrated mock assessments into our learning activities to obtain ongoing information about students' achievements that can be used to improve teaching and learning. Therefore, our course will provide all students with the digital age teaching and learning opportunities needed to prepare them for college, careers, and citizenship in the rapidly changing global digital world. Thank you.